Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary tutorial. We're going to talk about how to use the power rear liftgate on the 2021 model of the Chevrolet Suburban. And this is the Premier Edition, so it's going to have all the latest bells and whistles. And here is the remote, and I show that to you because this is one of the ways you can open the rear liftgate and or close it if you want to use that option. You also have a button right here, just a little bit below the license plate bracket. It's right here. You can push that, or if you want to, you can just swipe your foot underneath right there and just step back. Don't do it twice if it doesn't do it fast enough, but you can open it with the motion sensor down there, and you can close it using those same options I just showed you, and you can also close it that way. Now let me show you one more thing. If you don't want it to open all the way as it did right there, here on the interior, on the upper console, you're going to see this switch. And what you can do is change the position of that switch if you want it to open all the way, max 3/4, or if you just want to lock it. There are your options for the rear liftgate with the Chevrolet Suburban 2021.